friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HZTech. My name is Hanzala Mumtaz and today we are going to start a new series of HTML. So there will be many parts of HTML. So this is the part 1 of HTML and today we are going to start a new series of HTML. So there will be many parts of HTML. So this is the part 1 of HTML tutorial. So first, to learn HTML you need something. So the thing is, you need a code editor. So what is a code editor? So let's see what is a code editor. So I will search here, what is a code editor. Go to Google and search what is a code editor. See, a source code editor is a text editor program designed specifically for editing source code of computer programs. It may be a standalone application or it may be built into an integrated development environment or a web browser. So basically, to learn HTML, first you have to set up a coding environment. To set up a coding environment, you need a source code editor or text editor. So in this tutorial we will install a very famous source code editor called Visual Studio Code. Search for Visual Studio Code on your Google. Go to its official website, Visual Studio Code editing redefined. So you are using Mac OS or Linux, you will download it from here. I have already downloaded it, so let's open it. So after opening it, you will get this type of interface. So first, after opening the Visual Studio Code editor, you need to install live server. So what is a live server? I will explain it. Live server is a local host actually, which runs and debugs our HTML program in the browser, and we will code here and see the results in our browser. So to install it, when you will open Visual Studio Code, you will see this menu bar. Go to the last section of this menu bar, extensions, and you will search here live server. See, in the first line only the live server is there. You will click here and download it. I have already downloaded it, so you will download and start. So now to write a code in HTML, first you have to make a folder. First make a folder like this. I have made HTML tutorial folder. Go to the folder or open the folder, right click on it, and then if you have installed the Visual Studio Code properly, then after right clicking you will see the open with code option here. So you will click it and it will open the Visual Studio Code here. See, now here is our explorer window where we will make our all files. Here is the folder HTML tutorial. Now first, to make a HTML file, hover on this name. See, there are two options for making. One is new file and one is new folder. So you will click on new file, the first option only. You will name it index.html. Why we are keeping index? See, when we will learn HTML in the future, we will make a website also. Okay, When we will host it on the browser, we will publish it on the browser. The default form, the default name the hosting takes, it is the index.html. So this is necessary to keep index.html, but in the website, if you are making multiple pages, you can write about us.html, contact us.html, and many other things. Now see, here is the code editor. See, here is the first line. Now how I am zooming in and zooming out. So to do like that, go to settings in the menu bar, manage. Now go to settings, search here ZOOM, zoom in. Now go to workspace, and click on this. Let us see, it's zooming in and zooming out. Now close the settings. Now first there is the format of HTML. There is one format of HTML. So as we are beginners, I will explain everything in the format. So first, to write the format, to start the format, the first line we have to write. You will give this type of bracket, then exclamation mark, and then you will write in capital letters doc type, then not in capital letters, space HTML. Then you will give opposite bracket of the same bracket. So this is the necessary thing you need to start the format. Now click enter to go to the second line. Now first, before writing the second line, we will first understand tags and comments in HTML. So what are tags? Tags are some attributes which are the name of some specific things, like doc type HTML. This is a tag. It specifies doc type, document type is HTML, and to start a tag we have to give this type of brackets. Now what are comments in HTMLs? Comments are those lines which our live server don't read. It only indicates some special things, like if I write here hello, sorry, not here, here in the starting, hello, this is a HTML file. Now if I give this file to another user, he will see what is this. So if he will read this, then he will understand, oh, this is a HTML file. But if we will run this in the live server, let us see what happens. We will right click and then open with live server. Now go to your browser, open a new tab, search here for local host. Now the port we have to find. So when you will click the right click, then here will come port 5501. Then after that you will write 5501. Now you will click enter. See, it is written here, but while clicking here I will press Ctrl plus slash. Now as you can see here, I have written when I will click Ctrl plus slash, these signs will come. it indicates a comment. Now when I will go to my web page, reload it, see, it is not coming. So this is only a comment. Now we will write another tag for our format. We will write an HTML tag. Now when we will close it, see, the ending tag automatically comes. So this is only the benefit of using VS Code editor. Now in the middle of both the tags, click your cursor and then enter. Now inside the HTML tag, first you will create another tag named HEAD, head. Now you will close it. Now the head tag another opens. Now press enter. Now inside the head tag you have to create a tag called TITLE, title tag. Now it closes, but don't press enter while you are inside the title tag. Now where the head tag ends, under the head tag you will open another tag called body. Now we will close the tag. Now press enter. Now first it becomes little complex, but let us understand it. The head tag is for our this one. Now if between in the middle of the title tag I will write Hanzala, then control save it, control S means save it, go to our browser, reload it, you can see here Hanzala has come. So the title tag is for this title. Now our head tag's purpose ends. Now we will understand the body tag. The body tag is for this part, this white part. Now inside the body tag, to write something, we will get another tag named P tag. Now we will close it. Now inside the P tag we will write anything. If you are making a demo website, I am telling you a easy trick. You will write here lorem, then multiply sign, and then 2 or any number, then click enter. Now save it. Now go to your web page. Now see, if you are creating a demo website, for that this trick is. Now delete it. We'll write here my name. You can write anything. So this was the purpose of my part 1 to learning the basics of HTML. We will meet in our next part of HTML. Thank you.